Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to change the keyboard language on macOS 26. First, go ahead and click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. Next, scroll down a bit and select Keyboard. Look for the text input section and click on Edit. On the left, you'll see a list of all the keyboards currently active on your Mac. If you want to add a new language, click the plus icon at the bottom. Here, it'll show you all the available keyboard languages. For example, I'm going to choose Vietnamese. Over on this side, it shows the input sources. Select your preferred input source if available, and then hit Add. You'll see the new keyboard language appear right here. Then, just click Done. When you have more than one keyboard language set up, you'll see a list of keyboards appear in your menu bar so you can easily switch between them. To quickly switch input sources, you can press Control-Space. This is the keyboard shortcut to toggle your keyboard language instantly. If you ever want to remove one, it's just as easy. Select the keyboard language you want to remove and click the minus icon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and check out my channel for more useful macOS tips for beginners. Catch you in the next one.